In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Bitbucket. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the repository and know which workspace and branch the file lives in. You'll also need to be signed in to your Atlassian account. Start by going to the Bitbucket sign-in page. You'll be redirected to Atlassian's login. Choose the Google option to sign in with your Google account, then select the account that's linked to your Bitbucket profile. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt to finish signing in. Once you're in Bitbucket, look to the left navigation and open the repositories section. This shows the list of repositories you can access in your current workspace. If you have a lot of repos, the search bar at the top is the quickest way to find the right one. Click the repository you want to work with to open it. You'll land on the source view of the repository. From here, navigate through the folders to locate the file you want to save. If you need a file from a different branch, use the branch selector near the top of the page to switch to the correct branch before you open the file. This ensures you're downloading the exact version you need. Click the file name to open its preview page. At the top right of the file view, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu. Click that, then choose Open Raw. This action fetches the raw contents of the file. What happens next depends on the file type. For binary files, such as images, archives, or libraries, most browsers will automatically start a download. For text-based files like code, configuration, or HTML, your browser will usually open a new tab showing the raw text. To save it locally, use your browser's Save As option, or press Ctrl+S on Windows or CMD+S on Mac OS. Pick your destination folder and confirm. The file name and extension should be preserved, but it's a good idea to double-check they look correct before saving. If you don't see the Open Raw option, make sure you've clicked into the file itself and not just the folder. Also confirm you have permission to view and download that file. Very large files or items stored with Git LFS may have additional restrictions, in which case your admin may require you to use a different method. That's it. You've signed in, opened the repository, navigated to your file, and used Open Raw to download or save it from your browser. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.